When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. Let us help you with our excellent customer service as well as our years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.